Hello everyone, I am Aki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our fun Japanese learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn some super easy Japanese words for yummy fruits. Before we start, let's all say together, kudamono. Great job! Now, who's ready to learn some fruit names in Japanese? Let's make learning fun and tasty. Remember, we'll learn each word step by step, and I'll help you say them just right. Are you ready? Let's go! Ikimashou! The first one is yummy strawberry. In Japanese, it is Ichigo. Strawberries are often enjoyed in desserts like cakes, parfaits, or even just as a snack. Kids love them because they are not only tasty but also look like little jewels, perfect for any celebration. Let's say again, Ichigo. This one is momo, which means peach. Japanese peaches are super sweet and juicy fruits. They have a soft, fuzzy skin and are often larger than regular peaches, with a round, plump shape. Let's say again, momo. The next one is suica. It is watermelon. Japanese watermelons are often extra crunchy and have just the right amount of sweetness, making them a refreshing treat, especially in the summer. Let's again, suica. The Japanese of apple is Ringo. Japanese apples, like the Fuji variety, are super crunchy, sweet, and juicy. They have a vibrant red color with a hint of yellow, and their skin is smooth and shiny. Aomori apples are the most famous. Let's again, Ringo. It is papaya. Japanese word for papaya is written in katakana. Katakana is used in Japanese for foreign words, names, and some plant or animal names, which is why papaya is written this way. It's a tropical fruit that has sweet, orange flesh and is enjoyed in various dishes, especially in salads or smoothies. Papaya is not as commonly eaten as other fruits like apples or oranges, but it's still enjoyed for its unique, refreshing taste. Try again, papaya. The next one is banana. The pronounce is same as that of English one. In Japanese, banana is written in katakana as banana, since it's a foreign word. Bananas are considered a healthy, convenient snack, and kids especially enjoy them because they're sweet and easy to peel. They're also used in fun treats like banana-flavored sweets. Let's say again, banana. The Japanese of orange is orange. Oranges in Japan are enjoyed fresh, in juices, or even in desserts like cakes and jellies. Let's say again, orange. The next one is raspberry. In Japan, raspberries are not as common as some other fruits, but they are still enjoyed and are considered a delicious, sweet tart treat. They are typically imported from other countries, especially during the summer months. Raspberries in Japan are often used in desserts, like cakes, parfaits, and jams, and sometimes added to smoothies or yogurt. Let's say, raspberry. The next one is kiwi. In Japan, kiwi is a popular fruit known for its fuzzy brown skin and bright green, tangy sweet flesh. It has small black seeds in the center and is loved for its refreshing, juicy taste. In Japanese, it's written in katakana because it is a foreign fruit. Kiwi is often eaten fresh, either sliced up as a snack or added to fruit salads and desserts like cakes and parfaits. Try again, kiwi. The last fruit is mango. The Japanese word for mango is written in katakana. Mangoes are a tropical fruit known for their sweet, juicy flesh and vibrant yellow or orange color. In Japan, mangoes are imported from countries like the Philippines, Thailand, and even Okinawa. Mangoes in Japan are often eaten fresh, but they are also used in desserts like ice cream, parfaits, and even as toppings for cakes. They are loved for their rich flavor, and kids especially enjoy their sweet, refreshing taste. Try again, mango. And that's all for today, my wonderful friends. Remember to practice these words with your family and friends. You can point to fruits at home or at the supermarket and say their Japanese names. Sayonara. Goodbye. See you in our next fun Japanese lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun Japanese lessons.